Hey Steve, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO, and I found you guys on Home Advisor while researching pool builders in your area. And when I found your website, I thought you guys would really like this video I'm about to show you so that you can get more leads, more organic leads, and more visibility, okay? So here we're just going to go over a few tips. Here we're on your website. That's a gorgeous picture you got there. Reviews, that's good. That's good. You need content. Content is key. Um, Nice photo gallery. That's nice. Um, Nothing really here to help me contact you. No information about your business phone number or lead forms. Could definitely use that. You want to make it as easy as possible for your customers to reach out to you. Um, but ranking. So ranking requires content. The more content on your website, the better. You need more content than your top competitors in all of your service areas. And the rule of thumb is 1,000 to 1,500 words of content on your homepage going after those buyer intent keywords. Those are the keywords that people are actively searching when they're looking for the services you provide. They may not know the name of your company, but they know the service that they're looking for. And those are the type of keywords that your content on your website needs to be based around. Every single service that you perform needs to have their own individual service pages. If you build a wide variety of different types of pools, um, concrete, tile, stone, what have you, good night. Those should have their own separate pages so that it can have its own content around those services with their own keywords that Google can index you for and put customers in front of you. So Google has robots called crawlers that go and index each of these pages, and they're looking for your content and keywords so they can rank you for those keywords so that your customers can find you. One of your top competitors in your area is Summerhill Pools, and this is their website. As you can see, they have different pages for each of their different pool type designs, services, etc. And so you need to do the same thing. And then if you also service multiple areas, you need to have separate service area pages so that you can be found in those areas as well. Let's see. Looks like they are going after some of those keywords. They've got some good content. And here there's information to help me find them. So you definitely want to do some of that. You need to have more content than your top competitors. And then let's jump over here. This is Ahrefs. It helps us to analyze how your website is performing. You have a rank of a 16 out of 100 in Google's Trust Flow, which isn't too bad. Um, and this is because of your backlinks. Um, but you do need a lot more backlinks. Okay, you need a lot more backlinks than your top competitors. And not all backlinks are created equal. Because you don't have much content, you only have one keyword being indexed, and so you're not seeing any traffic to your website. when we look at your competitor, they only have a ranking of a 5 in Google's Trust Flow, but they have over 1,500 backlinks. Now, with this low of a score and this many backlinks, that says that most of those backlinks are of poor quality backlinks, because not all backlinks are created equal. You need high authority backlinks. They must be do follow backlinks, and they need to be related to your specific service and industry. It also looks like majority of those backlinks are all being pushed to their home page, which helps their home page, but it doesn't help their services or service areas so that they can be found for those services. So your backlinks should really be tied to your keywords on each of your pages so that you can be found for each of those services. But because they have over 200 pages to their website, they're being indexed for over 3,000 keywords, and they're generating over 1,300 people on to their website each and every month on average. So you definitely need to work on your content and keyword strategy, building out those additional pages, and then adding on the SEO, adding those backlinks to support those keywords so that you can get ranked. Because 70% of people, 70% of your leads, I should say, come from your website. So being well optimized is going to be really important. And because your website is not optimized, you can see how much traffic you're missing out on. So you're missing quite a bit for potential customers. Now, backlinks. So what a backlink is when one website links to your website and drives traffic to your website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. So the more relevant this website is to your website, the more power it's going to give you. And you also need to make sure that these backlinks are tied to your keywords, not just your brand. Now, this specific customer, this specific one looks like a customer that was not so happy. They actually created a website about their experience, and those are your backlinks. So those are not the best backlinks for you. You definitely need better backlinks. And then the last thing I wanted to show you is this Google Maps or Google My Business. So your goal should be to be in the top 3 of this section in each of your service areas for each of your service keywords. If you're not in the top 3, you're missing out, because 30% of people come directly here and won't go any further. So in order to be in the top 3, there's several factors, with the biggest one being citations, which is the name of your business, your address, phone number, and website, and having those on a variety of places like Yelp, Facebook, Yellow Pages, Instagram, etc. And you need a lot more than your top competitors. And I did notice on yours you have 1 review that's a 1 star. You need to get a bunch more reviews that are 5 stars so you can wash out that negative review. Now, when you follow all of these steps that I've shown you today, your website can be number 1 across Google for your service area and your keywords. The purpose of this video was purely informational. However, we are SEO experts, and so if you do want to see real results and you don't want to have to do this work alone, go ahead and give us a call at the number on your screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.